Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today I am going to take up Sri Ramanuja Vasanta Tilaka Stotra, a neology of stotra composed in Vasanta Tilaka Chandas on Bhagavan Sri Ramanuja, that is Ramanujacharya. So we just pray God first. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha, Om Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha, Om Vani Hiranyagarbhabhyam Namaha, Om Sita Ramabhyam Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namaha, Om Pitrubhyo Namaha, Om Rishibhyo Namaha, Om Munibhyo Namaha, Om Acharyebhyo Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyo Devi Devatabhyo Namo Namaha. So we'll come back to this stotra now. I was saying Ramanuja Vasanta Tilaka Stotra, a neology of stotra composed in Vasanta Tilaka Chandas, fantastic stotra on Bhagavan Sri Ramanujacharya, who gave us the Vishishtadvaita philosophy. So here I go, my dear friends. So first I will recite this fantastic stotra and then we will take up the verbatim meanings. Ramanuja Vasanta Tilaka Stotra. यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मा व्यामोहतः तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we will take up the verbatim meanings. Yo nityam means he who always. Achyuta Padambuja Yugma Rukma, he always meditates upon the shining light emanating from the lotus feet of Lord Achyuta, that is Lord Sri Mahavishnu. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Yo Nityam Achyuta Padambuja Yugma Rukma. Okay. He who always meditates upon the shining light emanating from the lotus feet of Lord Sri Mahavishnu. Rukma means the rays of light, shining light. Padambuja, Achyuta Padambuja Yugma. Yugma means his lotus feet. Yugma is always two. So feet is always two. So Yo Nityam Achyuta Padambuja Yugma Rukma. He is meditating continuously on the shining light emanating from the lotus feet of Lord Achyuta, Lord Sri Mahavishnu. And then Vyamohataha, so he is infatuated, absolutely infatuated by that. Vyamohataha taditarani trunayamene, that is the second padam. So for him, all the worldly enjoyments, etc., all these things, he considered just as equal to a lump of grass or a mere trash. Truna means grass. So trunayamene, he considered all this worldly enjoyment, etc., as a mere lump of grass or trash, which could be easily neglected. That was the high state of mind of Bhagavan Ramanujacharya. So he is continuously meditating upon the shining light emanating from the lotus feet of Lord Achyuta, Lord Sri Mahavishnu. And because of this, he was very infatuated on Lord Sri Mahavishnu, and he could easily cross this ocean of samsara because he considered all the worldly enjoyments as mere trash, a lump of grass. So that is the meaning of the first two padams. Moving on to the third padam now. Asmad Guror Bhagavatosya Dayaika Sindho. We bow down to such our great Acharya. Asmad Guroho Bhagavatosya. Bhagavan Ramanuja, Bhagavan Shankara, likewise we address this great acharyas with reverence. So he himself is considered as God. Asmad Guroho Bhagavatosya Ramanujayika Sindhoho is an ocean of mercy. So we go down to such a great acharya and we take refuge in the feet of such a great acharya. Asmad Guroho Bhagavatosya Dayika Sindhoho is an ocean of mercy. Ramanujasya Charanau Sharanam Prapajya. That is the fourth padam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? We take refuge in the lotus feet of such a great acharya. So that is the meaning, very simple. Vasanta Tilaka Chandas. So fantastic stotra, isn't it? My dear friends, we are going to chant this stotra again now. and then wrap up this video. In the next upcoming video, I'm going to give you one more super composition of Bhagavan Ramanuja. So here I go, an eulogy on Bhagavan Sri Ramanuja composed in Vasanta Tirga Chandas. Yo nityamachyutapadambujayugma rukma vyamohatah taditarani trunaya mene अस्मद्गुरोर् भगवतोऽस्य दयैक सिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. So fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So in the next upcoming video, as I said, we will meet again with a fantastic composition by Bhagavan Ramanujacharya. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Sepi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sutti Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.